Oh, what up? What up? What up?
Pop,
What up? What
pop,
up? What up?
pop, pop. Let's go. What
What
up?
up? I just
To
tagged y'all.
everybody. Let's go.
Just tagged y'all.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
What up?
Yeah.
What up? What
Yeah.
up? What up? What up, man? What's
Pop.
going on, good people? We just trying to get set up here. How's everybody doing out there in the net space? In the net space, we got some things to catch up on. We got some things to talk about.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get it.
That's for
Let's
sure.
get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got some things to talk about, fellas. Man, what's good? What's good? What's good? We got Jay in the building. What's good? AKA ES God on Twitter. Yo, I fucks with his Twitter handle, yo. ES God.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that.
We
What's up,
got
Strat
Strat
King?
King. We got Strat King in the building. What's good? What's good? What's good? Uh what's good, everybody? Welcome to Late Night Leverage. It's your
Oh, thank you.
boy, one of your co-hosts, Zay the Maverick. We got Drez in the building. We got Quadree in the building, man. Fellas, how y'all doing, man? How was y'all trading day? How was last week? All that good stuff. Talk to me. Talk to me. How was today, man?
Today, my patient got tested, bro. They test me. They test
Okay.
my patient today. Yeah, man.
I'm sure.
Like I had the game plan, but
Right.
my test, my trading was not there. I got chickened out a little bit, and yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
We
man.
got Quadree short, so I got his screen up already. Definitely is I'm in the short too, on the other side of the house as well.
Mm.
Quadri, how was your day? How was your day?
My day was great. Like he said, the first open. Let me look at this. So the open was. Ooh, it took a while for it to happen. I
Yeah.
was I was initially short, then I went
Mhm.
long.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Well, my bias was short,
Mm-hmm.
um, especially off the data that we use. But then, like,
Mm.
I saw my setup to go long, so I took the long. But
Yeah.
then once I seen we started turning, I took a small loss, and then literally I was like, bro, I'm not about to because I'm on my funded account. So I'm not about to just keep going back and forth.
Mm.
I think everybody, I want to say like once we started dropping, and
Mm-hmm.
then I went out to like a higher time frame. I seen the SMT. I'm like, all right, I'm definitely going short with it.
Going short.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My only regret was I should have held another 192 points. I
For
took
sure.
50. I took 50, but boy, I
That
was
thing took a tumble, didn't it?
yeah, but it was too
Hmm.
long though. I ain't
Yeah.
gonna lie, that took mad long, bro. Like he said, patience, man. Because I surely was
Yeah.
about
Yeah,
to exit my joint and call it a day. Set
bro.
my
Yeah. I feel it. I feel it. Man, for me, I actually had to I had to attend a funeral for one of my chapter brothers. So I was once 11 o'clock hit, I had to shut it down. So I didn't even trade today.
Hmm.
sorry,
But
boss.
no, I appreciate that. So, but what I will
Yeah,
say though
bro.
is, I felt the short was coming though. I felt the short was coming,
Hmm.
especially after Monday. And so we're gonna talk about that too, which is the whole AMD deal going down with OpenAI. Shout out to all the AMD holders. But having that gap up, we started with a new week opening gap. We
Yep.
pushed up. So I was like, at some point, I wanted us to come back and retest that. So I was like,
Mm.
we're gonna probably have some type of sell, whether it's tomorrow, which is Tuesday, which is pretty good because that could be us maybe trying to carve out the low of the week. Again, we do got retest Wednesday tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. But I figured, let's see how the market reacts when we retest that new week open together. If we could bounce out of that, then I think we'll be all right. But I definitely wanted to see us retest that. So again, I didn't really even I saw from y'all like people talking in the chat like, oh, we selling all. I was like, okay, we pulling back. And then tonight, when I finally got home and started to look at the market and all that, I was like, okay, we did retest it. And I'll pull my screen. I know you on the trade right now, Quadree, but man, this from 10 to 11, it turned up, boy. 11, it turned up quick, especially on the ES, boy. ES, I don't. So let me ask y'all this, because again, at that point, I had to step away. So was there news or what? Like, what? I mean, granted, I don't, it didn't have to be any news that caused this, but at the same time, I'm like, yo, like, what happened? Like, it just, granted, I wanted that to happen, but damn, it just accelerated. So
It just happened, bro.
did any news drop or anything?
Nah, it just happened. It just somebody let the levies broke, bro. They just said they just released it. Well, I do know this, and I don't know if you know, Dre, is like the move's been happening a little later than it usually. Like they've been making us wait a little bit.
Yeah. Today was
so. Go ahead, Dre. My bad.
Not today was like patient tasting. Like they wanted to go short. You saw the setup, like the data we follow, we track. So everything, bro. But it kept dancing, like going and up. Whoop, we going out? No. No, bro. So then 11. That's when Mark.
That's when shit. Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah.
11 they got cracking. I'm looking at the ES and
you had some Fed speaking today, like a lot of Fed speaking. I was not in it, so I didn't hear what they said, but there was a lot of Fed speaking talking today. So
bro, we are
maybe
dropping.
That's the reason why,
bro, we dropping right now. But I do know the ES came up and took that yesterday high at 6,800, kind of made a nice little, barely went up to 6,802, and then after that came and took out these lows too. But at the same time, like I said, we did have that new week open the gap, which is right here. So I wanted to see us come down, retest that. So, now we'll see what's up. But this definitely, I will say, we need to be very mindful of this consolidation here, because if we, if the ES crack below, take out this 67.42. It could lead to some significantly lower levels, as you see. So, but yeah, somebody mentioned it was Chap. So we got some more people in the building. What's good, Chap? He said technicals. I agree, man. I think it was just Yep, Strat King said that was just a profit taking level. It looked like profit taking, right? We didn't sell off too crazy. Usually if you start slicing through hella support levels, then that's how if it's more than just profit taking. So it does seem like it's just probably some profit taking, a little bit of that. Who else we got? We got my boy Nightways in the building. What's good, brother? Appreciate that, Jay. Yeah, man. It was so yeah, it was my ADP. So if anybody Greek, saying y'all know what your assistant dean of pledges is. So he was one of the brothers that brought me through, man. Going too early. Lil J said, what's up, Zay? Good to see y'all, man. Meta tempting, real man. Listen, don't play with it. Don't miss it. That's all I'm gonna say. You see what happened with AMD. You wake up one day, next thing you know, that shit up 25%. And you saying to yourself,
Meta gonna move like a big move in Meta, like $50-$60 too.
Yeah, don't miss it. That's all I'm gonna say. Mike is in the building. What's good, Mike?
That's my guy, Mike. What up, baby?
Yo, we are cooking, boy. I'm sure it's looking good. Lil J said, going to rewatch your Advanced Money Destroyer video tomorrow. Flowers where flowers is due. Appreciate that, brother. Listen, man.
Yeah.
I know a lot. Look, I'm gonna say this. I know a lot of people made money on AMD. A lot of people called AMD, and I don't take. I give everybody credit where credit is due, but I do want to say, I made that video in December, bro, and the amount of pushback that I got because people was like, "Oh, you buying a falling knife? Oh, AMD dead." Like, bro, I was screaming buy AMD back when it was, at that point in time, I think it was like still at like 90. And so it did. I think we even talked about it on the show one time where it did have a little bit more drawdown, end up going down to like $70 or whatever. But at the end of the day, if you really go watch that video, I said it was a long-term play. I said it was going to take some time. I also said this is where the price levels it was about to come back to. So it's like at the same time, man, I just want to say shout out to everybody that was in AMD. Hell of a win. Congrats to everybody that made money, man. Big deal. That's one of those ones where this is where for me, when it comes to like options and just companies and businesses, this is where I love that type of research, because I had a few people hit me up like, yo, everything you talked about in that video is starting to play out, the margins and all this and that. And it's like, again, what we always say, fellas, often early, rarely wrong, bro.
Facts, man.
You know what I'm saying? So shout out to everybody that was in AMD, because now, right? I done seen it. Look, all the analysts coming out raising price targets on AMD. I see price targets at $300 now.
Yeah,
so
crazy.
They going crazy, man.
Hella upgrades.
Dog, hella upgrades, bro. Hella upgrades. Chap said we had to come back to that weekly open void. I agree. Looking like a Tuesday low week again. Let's see, Strat King, because this could be retest Wednesday, bro. It could be retest Wednesday. Shauna is in the building. That's our gold queen right here. Listen, Shauna got for everybody watching. Dre cheated on the NQ. I'm snitching. Dre traded gold last night, y'all.
Yeah.
Dre traded gold. I'm telling you. Look, I hope Larry on, because Dre cheated, Larry.
I really did, bro. I had to.
And
bro.
he brought Quadree to the dark side with him. They both traded gold last night.
We had to, bro. We had to.
4K was looking nice.
Dog. Yeah. But yo, gold is on a tear, right? Gold just keep on going.
Gold is golden, bro. No, man.
Bro, gold is it's up tonight. 7 points. Yeah. Let's see. He said some hedges came in strong. I grabbed the 67.15, took previous high. Yeah, for sure, man. And Jay, one of the things we talk about is, I like to look at the US 500. And so if I pull that up real quick, fellas, because I think I put in the chat before I went into the and for the funeral, so this is what I was seeing on my end. And this is why I think I know this is why I called out. I said, hey, let's see if we can get back to 67.13 on the SPX. Because if you look on the US 500, we opened the week, we gapped up, right? So we gapped up, and this is where that gap is. So I'm like, all right, we're gonna at least come test that. I think we at least gonna come test that. So that's 67.15. That was a good grab, Jay. Christian Mike said, what up? Let's get the futures popping. We short, bro.
Might go short with us.
He might be. You short, Mike? Credit ain't due everywhere. All these jokers late to the parties. I'll say it, bro. You've been on it. Yeah, but hey, some people will be like, it's late. They was on time. Look, and that's why I said, look, I sent out a tweet. I don't care if you in shares. I don't care if you had options. If you was in AMD, man, that was a win for everybody. I hope you're gonna cook up another prediction video for 26. So Jay, listen, little Jay, Dre been on me. Dre been like, bro, when we gonna get this update video?
Yeah, for sure.
Dre
trying to wait to get the 270, bro. He trying to wait for
I might do it soon. I'll probably do it soon. I'm gonna have to do it soon now.
You had to tell the people, man. Had to remind the people.
I'm gonna have to go back and watch it so I can remember what I said, and then I'm gonna do one. I definitely want to do one. We
My guy.
got Mick in the building. What's good, brother? He said, "Hell, your boy
What's
Dre
good?
trading gold." Listen, so he must have heard me saying you was cheating. Hey, look,
Yeah.
Mick, you know Dre don't do nothing but the NQ, bro. When he did gold last night, I said, "Oh my god."
Yes, sir.
We got Shishi said Apple will be 300 by the middle of next year. Shit, I think it'll be
End
300
of
by
the
the end of
year.
this
End of the
year.
year. End of the year. Tweeting.
This
I
year.
think it'll still get there. Lisa said the tranche of OpenAI is set at 600 per share. Jeez Louise.
Okay.
And then yeah, Strat King, if you go look at my old lives, I did a live video on the AMD joint.
Yo, you ain't tweeted that? Didn't you
Huh?
tweet it?
I did.
You
I
tweet
tweeted it, or if he can go look on my Twitter page. I said I tweeted the video out for sure. So that's all the comments right there. So Dre, what you looking at, man? Let's pull your screen up a little bit. Quadree, how your short going right now? You still cooking?
I want to go down to the low, but I can see where we can reverse right now.
Okay.
You see me, I'm a little different. I don't like shorting here at the lows. So like,
Got it.
for me to short again and looking for this low, and like it could go right now. I'm not saying nah, but I want to come up here first, and then I like juice. This is not a lot of juice for me to short. Like it is cash flow, but it's not like they could just took it off from here and then later give you that move. So right now I'm being patient.
Got it. You know what else surprised me today? Man, micro Bitcoin got cooked. Bitcoin took a.
They hit that. They hit all times high. You know, every time you hit a high, that joint pull back.
Nasty,
bro. I was like, woo, that shit was down like 2 or 3%. I was like, damn.
Yeah. So also we inside Sunday range, like okay, you got my chart up. So right here, like
I got it up. You got your screen up. Yep.
Yeah, it's tough to short here for me to look for this low. So,
but it's like
I think you had to kind of like get in right at the top of the 7 o'clock hour.
Yes, exactly.
If you got in up there, you got a pretty good entry. You good?
Yeah. So, just patience.
Yeah.
Later, Yes, sir.
Chap say bear flag vibes. I think so, man. So we would the fellas now we were kind of chopping it up about that before we started the show, and we were saying how it seems to be getting a little easy. And one of the things that I wanted to kind of briefly chat about is I'm starting to see the type of activity where it's not to say like this is the end, but I could tell things are starting to get a little bit frothy. And the reason I say that is because at least in our community, again, we do our weekly prep, and I made a joke of, people was asking about particular names, and I'm like, why are we looking at these names when it's a lot stronger names, that still present an opportunity? But now I'm starting to see those names where it's just like people are starting to really pick on bottom feeders. Like, oh, this stock can go or this can go. And I'm like, I don't like it because now people just starting to throw darts. They're like, oh, the market is going up, so everything about to go up. We starting to get to that point where people just throwing darts at any and everything and expecting it to run and get these big runs. And that's where things are starting to get a little bit frothy. You know what I'm saying? Like legit people are, looking, and don't get me wrong, some of these names can run, right? Because the market is in a spot where it's, a lot of these names are starting to pick up. But, when I got a name like Amazon, that's still pretty much flat, but yet, we're talking about PayPal or, some of these bottom feeder type of stocks, we starting to get frothy. We starting to get frothy here. You know what I mean? Now it's just people are, the sentiment is getting to a point where it's a lot of dart throwing, just picking names and, oh, everything's going to go up. So I'm glad we starting to pull back. We kind of need this to kind of shake out all those late bulls, all those people kind of picking those bottom feeders. Because honestly,
This
you look at what the market did today, Amazon was green. Amazon stayed green the whole day.
I got some Amazon. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Amazon stayed green. So it's like, okay, yeah, we hopefully they start to just reward real businesses that got good, what I'm saying, good businesses, good revenue, and then be careful with those speculative type of names, because if the market do pull back, them shit's gonna get smoked.
Yeah. This, so right in my chart,
Yeah,
this is like an early indication.
this
When we see
is what we're looking at.
home buyer, home builder.
Home builders, yeah.
So this is like an early indication that pullback is coming, right? So not saying today, tomorrow, but watch out. Watch out, pullback. I'm not
Also,
saying
what's your VVIX looking like? Because I know the VIX picked up some steam.
Let me see. Actually, I didn't check that today.
Yeah, the VIX is back above 17. And that's something that I keep mentioning, like, hey, we need to pay attention to the VIX because right now it's in a slow build up, and it does have positive bullish divergence. So any day,
so it's above. It's above that magic number, that magic level, right?
Yeah, magic
close
level.
above.
What is that
close
level,
above?
Because I'll be looking at the VVIX and I'm like, what is that? 98. Okay, I need to put that on my chart.
So random, I don't know if he's still here. He showed me.
He here in the chat.
So when he measured this, he studied this move, and whenever we get above here, that means we get expansion. Is like the daily time frame. The move is gonna be bigger. Like
correct.
The session is gonna be larger.
It's gonna be more volatile.
More volatile. Yeah. Usually when volatility comes, downside comes.
Correct.
Yep. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. And I can I can back that up too with I actually looked at, based on gamma, our ranges are expanding now, right? So for tomorrow, the SPY expected move is between 664 and 673. The SPY move is, the QQQ move is 599 to 609. So lately, the range been real tight, but now it's starting. Those ranges are starting to expand. To your point, pointing to volatility, we can see the VIX is at 17. So it may get a quick little. It may not even be quick, but it could. That's the thing that kind of worries me. The way the VIX been just slowly grinding up.
And Q break it down.
Is it?
Yeah, it took the low from Asia right now.
How that? Okay, hold
Quadree, you still short?
Let's go see. Let's see. Quadree, he is. We about to pull it up. Let's go. He cooking.
I want to take that down there. If we get there.
My bad to quit you. I'm saying.
Oh no, you good. I saw Mike comment too. I saw his comment too.
Oh, Mike on it. Let's go, baby. Yeah, Mike be on it. Yes, sir.
Shit. Dre, we need to get ready for 8:00 because it might get worse.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, remember that day? Shit.
Yeah, when we was talking about metals and missed the trade.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we pushing. Looking good.
Let's go, quiet.
Mike said he green. Okay, Mike, let's go.
Let's go, Mike.
Daily Profile said, look for leaders to hold strength during red days like Amazon. Absolutely, man. And during these pullbacks, yes. Go ahead.
I was telling Car, when you join the book, oh my God, it's gonna be amazing. You and Random talking stocks all day. Talking about that market, this shit gonna be fun, bro. I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because Random, he knows a lot about the market, bro. Like you guys could have 3-hour conversations straight up, bro.
Let's
No
get
lie.
it. Let's get it. Yeah, I be tapped in on the Monday streams. I see how he be breaking it down.
Bro.
I definitely like his perspective. The way
Yeah.
he definitely be breaking it down. I'm like, oh yeah, I can get jiggy with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are cooking, boy. This ES short I got.
Don't do me like that. Don't do me like
Let's see. There you go.
Said,
How about
I'm about to set back up my fundamental stuff again. Was it? Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, actually, how was your UNH position doing? Remember, he was on here when we was talking about UNH, and he was like, "I'm gonna get it just for the dividend."
He cooking. Him and Austin.
Okay.
Oh yeah, cooking.
Bet. I was about to say, how that UNH position you doing? I remember he was
and TMO.
Oh yeah. We talked. Yeah, you're right. Yo, TMO had a ridiculous candle a couple days ago.
What?
Oh my god, that shit was like up $40.
That's the thing, bro. It's I hate when you get like that because it's really like you can't. It's really like Pokemon at that point, bro. Like you can't really catch everything, man.
You can't, and
it's
that's
like
how you're right.
So many prime setups, man.
It is.
Well, at that point,
like, go ahead, Dre.
At that point, you go for those stock, like TMO. Where TMO is going, bro?
Yeah, you talking about like right now?
No, when it was down there.
Oh yeah. And that's another one where we was a little bit ahead, but boy, we knew TMO was gonna go, bro.
We was talking about that thing back in what? It was springtime.
Yeah, for a minute. I mean, since it was at those lows, we just been waiting for it to turn the corner.
Mm-hmm.
We was waiting for it to turn the corner. So yeah, we was matter of fact, Quadree, we was talking about TMO before we was really talking about UNH.
Yeah.
TMO was the first one we brought up.
TMO was the first one. Yeah.
We brought up into. Even Mike was on that shit.
Yeah. Chap say looking for 400 by the end of the year for sure. Man, I'm looking for UNH to close this 385 gap like soon.
Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing the targets in here. They're like mad conservative.
On who?
UNH, Apple. I'm like, they get there by the end of the year for sure.
Right. Like 400 definitely for sure. In UNH 300
right now.
Year.
Right now, bro. I feel like the only thing that could really drop the market is if they just hold on rates.
Yeah.
Like really to cause some serious damage. But let them keep cutting, man.
So Quadree, dog, I gotta give you your flowers on this one. So I was reading an article, and I seen a guy, bro. He raised his target to 7,400 end of the year. I know you said 72, but
bro,
dog, if you really look at how fourth quarters are, your average return in the fourth quarter is anywhere between like 8 to 10%.
Yes.
When you start doing 8 to 10% from where we closed in September, dog, it really do put you at like it's 7,000 like bare minimum at this point.
Let's start touching that those 20-day moving averages. We touch that
and bounce, it's
boy. remember that target?
On the NQ?
Target, yeah.
I'm just saying NQ, XPX, no matter. Let's touch one of them things. 20-day moving averages, bro.
They've been holding tough. But so where's it at? I fucking wrote the notes. Matter of fact, shout out to FX Evolution because I was watching his latest video and he was talking about the CTAs. And I wrote, where the hell did I write it at, bro? Here you go. He said the CTAs, and I think he uses Bank of America's information. He was saying I think these are SPX, like in like NASDAQ levels. He was saying the CTAs are basically saying like, yo, if the SPX gets above 67.75, that could push the market to 6,900. If the NQ, the NASDAQ's staying above 25,000. So I don't know. This is why I think he wasn't talking about the futures market, because he was like, if the NQ or NASDAQ can stay above 25,000, that sends it to 25.6. And And then he was saying how the Russell, if it stays above 2,500, can go to 2,600. But though the Nasdaq and the Russell, they will seem kind of conservative to me compared to if SPX can go from 67.75 to 6,900. I'm thinking the Nasdaq 25,000 to 26,000 is more like it.
Oh,
And then the Russell, bro. Remember when we talked about Dre? I think the Russell goes to 3,000, bro. We've been talking about that one for a good minute.
Yeah, Tom Lee said that 2023. He's go 3,000.
He did.
Yeah,
And I think Tom Lee was just early. I think he was
early.
just early.
Yeah.
Because now, if you go look at that setup on the IWM, that's definitely a big ass cup and handle, and it's getting ready to primed to break out.
With the rate cuts, bro. It got all the momentum it need.
Yes. Because if we get that rate cut into September, whew, that thing gone,
bro.
And then one of Dre's favorite sectors looking real prime and ready, biotech. Hold up. Did y'all see that biotech stock that was up like 4,000% in 2 days?
Nah.
Bro, I got
something like that up. That ain't even right.
Yeah, I gotta find the name. It's like it was up. It went from like $2 to like shit. They was talking about it this morning. I wish I remember the damn ticker. It got approved. It was one of them drugs that got approved. It went from like $2 to like over $100 in like 2 days or something like that. So the biotech is popping. You got
SP. Mike got it.
Yeah, there you go. SP. I knew Mike had SPRB. See, Mike be on it, bro.
Hell yeah, Mike don't play that shit.
Any big mover, Mike no. Yeah, here you go. Look at that, bro. It went from on Friday. It basically closed at $8. Dog. Today it closed at 182.
You see?
Yo. Oh yeah, we got
who's
screen. Yes. There's that. I think there's Quadrees, right?
Yeah, look, that weekly.
Dog, look at that shit. It went to as high as 235 from $8.
Bro, why we don't be knowing nothing about this?
Yeah, yo, for sure.
Same fear.
No, Mike knew. He just ain't say nothing.
Mike, don't let me find out you was in. You holding out, Mike?
Oh, Mike.
Look, the fact that he put the ticker in the chat, Mike knew. He just ain't say nothing.
Mike
he laughing too.
Mike holding out.
Yeah, yes. Shit. Yeah. Shout out to Mike for putting us on to the metals joints, because them joints is going crazy. Oh, shout out to Trump and his TMQ investment. That stock was up 200 and some odd percent. Yo, let's talk about this manipulation real quick. Yo, why that company only got 5 employees, dog?
That's tough.
That's how you know we in a bull market, bro.
Bro, that's how you know we in a bull market. And I did some closer research. So I know people are like, the government taking a 10% stake in this company. Come to find out, that 10% stake only cost the government like $35 million. So it wasn't a huge amount of money.
Yeah.
But at the same time, come on, bro, 5 employees. First of all, I went to the company website. If it's only got 5 employees, they got more officers and advisors than employees.
That's tough.
Bro, listen, all I know was if I was a shareholder, bro, I was cashing out immediately. I'm cashing out immediately.
Yo, seriously, though, you ain't lying. And again, I looked at the insider transactions. I don't know how early they knew, but in 2023, it's a American shareholder. Dude bought a shit ton of shares at 55 cents. Dog, that stock went up to $6 today. He cashing out, bro.
Hey.
He cashing out. Tanya say his cousins. Yeah, somebody, bro. 5 employees. Yeah, that is. Come on, man.
No way.
But on a more serious note, though, I think we do have to pay attention to those moves, because it's very clear that if you put the pieces of the puzzle together and think about all the progression we've seen, beginning with how gung-ho Trump was to make the minerals deal with Ukraine, how gung-ho he was trying to buy Greenland, how now you got the lithium deal with that the LAC company.
Shit.
They got this deal with this metals company. You've seen in negotiations with China and how they've been going back and forth on the rare earth minerals. So these metals are very, very important. So, you know, that kind of speaks to why gold and silver and palladium and all these metals is doing their thing, because a lot of this is needed for the EV build out, the data center build out, these semiconductor build outs. Like if this AI data center thing is going to really take off, you're going to need a lot of energy and you're going to need a lot of rare earth metals. So on a more serious note, I would tell people that's watching this live, pay attention to that. I know we making, we joking around about the 5 employees and stuff like that, but this administration have not been shy to tell us where to put our money. The signs are there.
I love it. I love it.
Right.
Yes.
They basically told you buy Intel.
By the day.
Intel is up 100% damn neir this year. Yeah. All you had to do was run the play. Right.
All the people at the meet, all them people, I mean, they on tour. Just look at them.
They do literally tell you, buy the dip, bro.
Right.
You better buy stocks.
Right. He told you it's a great day to buy stocks. Right. Like this administration has not been shy to tell you what they doing. They doing it right in the open.
Yo, we dropped. Yo, Larry's in the building.
Larry. Dre cheated, bro. He traded gold. I was waiting for you to pull up, Larry. Dre cheated on the NQ, bro. He stepped out on the NQ. He had a date with gold.
Listen. Gold was golden, bro. You crazy? Yeah.
He said he cheated. Also, man, shout out to Larry. Your targets hit, brother. The NQ hit 25, 150.
Yo, Larry.
I think your second target was 25, 350. I don't think we quite got there, but we damn sure got close. Yeah. You said those last week.
Larry killed that shit. Salute, Larry. I don't know what your process is, bro, but that shit on point. For sure.
He definitely one of those higher levels. So I'm assuming Larry probably coming into the stream short. Oh my God. Hey Dre, you see gold?
Yo,
check out gold, Dre. It's running. Wow. Gold running.
I should have known to get long again.
You should have.
I should have, bro.
Gold is going crazy, bro.
Gold, going.
You short?
Lil J said the Apple 300 December is going for $1. So this is not financial advice, Lil J. But I personally would say the Januaries or Marches are a safer bet.
Yes, sir.
But, if you think December is enough time, do you, my guy?
Right.
Larry is short. Second one is 375. So we was just like 100 points shy of that, Larry. That's waiting. And yep, I'm short. Yeah. So I think the high on the NQ, Larry, so far. Okay, yeah, we got all right, bet.
I want us to rip that low, take that low by 8 o'clock, bro. I need to take that low by 8 o'clock, bro.
Can we retrace a little bit so that me and Drake can get in and then we take it out?
Yeah, bro. Like, stop being selfish, my guy.
Bro, gold did that to me last night. I was like, they not gonna go to 4,000 immediately. They got to 3,999.5.
Wow.
Drop, and then it dropped like 10 points quickly.
Yes, it did.
And then it came back up. Like, I'm like, bro, I'm so glad I set my drink at $3.99.98.
Oh, your take profit? That was smart.
I already knew.
You already
knew. They never get that level right when you want it to.
Right.
That thing was pushing.
Bro, I have a problem, bro. Every time I see my trade go to $500, ain't no way I'm letting that go, bro. Nah.
And then you got to know gold is a little bit different too, Dre. So it's good that you do that because, bro, all it takes is a quick move.
I was up
bro,
$800. My dream dropped to negative 500 when we had
it's not happening, kid.
I said, yo, I'm like, yo, the data said X, Y, and Z.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Yeah, random gave us the data, so
yeah.
I'm like, bro,
nah. Listen,
you
gotta see me, China. Sunday we trading gold for sure.
You trading gold,
yeah. Ain't no point.
Larry said it might love tap the low and ride out back to the upside remainder of the week. Might tease 24,985. I think that's what he's looking for, the low.
Today, yeah, I like that level.
When you up like that, cover about 400 or 500 and let it cook. Yeah, especially on gold. Facts.
Yeah, man.
And then he said his target is 275 area on Apple. Man, Larry, I just want Apple to get above 260, bro. We've been sitting here teasing this damn 260 for so long. Like, come on, man. Maybe maybe they need to deal with OpenAI. All this money OpenAI addition.
No, hold on. So we gotta really talk about this.
Yeah.
All they did, all OpenAI did was give NVIDIA back to AMD.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm like yo, AMD pretty much. NVIDIA pretty much gave that money to AMD. The way they did that deal last week, NVIDIA gave that 100 billion. Now they talking about we gonna give you 100 billion. I'm like, y'all all in cahoots, bro.
They are.
Because he like, yo, just is like, I can't get a bread to my cousin, but you could give the bread to my cousin.
Yeah, and Oracle is in cahoots with him too.
Yeah, yep.
You know, he said, "You see what AMD did from what we talked about several weeks ago? Absolutely, it took off. It took off. We talked about it. We talked about it. You know,
what I didn't like about it though, and that's why I hate that type of drink. They put the news at 7 in the morning on a Monday, bro.
Dog, listen,
like y'all
couldn't gonna hold you. When I woke up, I looked. I said, "Wait a minute! Ain't no fucking way AMD $200. Like it was 160 on Friday." And I was like, "This got to be wrong." And then I got in the chat, and I don't know if anybody had commented yet. So I'm like, "Okay, well, ain't nobody say nothing yet." So I went back and I looked again. And I'm like, "Damn, this shit say 200." I'm like, "Clearly, got to be some news." So then I went back in the chat, and then that's when I think somebody posted the whole OpenAI thing, and I was like, "Yo." That is crazy, yo. And then next thing I know, I got in the shower. I got out the shower. That shit was at like 220. I said, what the fuck?
Yeah. Right.
I say, yo, this is crazy, son.
Because Mike was bringing up he was getting in some AMD on Friday.
Yeah.
But 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Talking to Mike, shout out to Mike on IBM. They announced the deal with Anthropic. So these
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. All right, bet. Let's lock in.
Yeah.
Take that low out on reverse higher. Come on.
Yeah, 125K.
Come on, I want to take that low out. Come on, take it out. Take it out.
He got you. Yeah. Dell went up today too. They got a deal.
They had an investor day.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like you can't be in everything, bro.
No, you can't.
Yo, how can Tesla gonna come out with a car that's not affordable? Talking about it's cheap.
They did. It was what, 40,000?
Yeah, I guess that's cheap. Target hit TP.
For them, yeah.
TP.
Let's go, baby. You should.
Right. Now you can do what you want, Dre. And
about to get low.
Y'all can do what y'all want. You know what I'm saying? I'm done for the day. Night.
It hit TP?
Yes, it did. I told you, take out the low by 8 o'clock. That's all I wanted.
Yeah, I think I'm about to go. Well, we still. I'm gonna hold on. Let me see what happened here.
Nah, I am going paper trade though. Yo, Dre about the TP right now.
Yeah, that bounce was crazy.
I'm about to be like him. Beep beep. Oh, he left. I didn't know he dropped off.
Who? Oh no, he back. I think he just fell off the
Bro,
screen, real.
this shit you kicked me out, bro. I got low in this shit. You spring game.
I had I was talking to y'all, bro. That accidentally hit the X. That joke took me out.
Yeah. This shit was.
We got let's see. Larry said if folks listen to y'all on here and jot down some notes, it might be opportunities for people. For sure, man. We try
Hey,
to,
you done gave out, Larry, you done gave out hella opportunities, bro, for free.
Facts.
So you got
Bro,
loan,
I
bro? Let's
literally
go,
said, ain't
Quadree.
no way. I was so hot with that AMD news. Karen said, I said the same thing, bro. I said, I woke up like, ain't no way. I said the same thing, bro. I was like, yo, this is crazy.
Seriously, I was just
$60
talking from the standpoint, like, yo, you would do that, bro. Like, you would do that. You would
on a
do
Monday, like you said too, right? On a Monday.
7 o'clock. I can't even do nothing.
Tony said, always taking notes, research. They had their own group chats. When you tweeted, that's when I knew I was at work pacing for my break. Like Trey, let me, Trey, let me out. Yo, I'm weak. Come on, AQ.
Let's go. That Mike.
Yeah, he said Mrs. TP. I think we're gonna keep going down though. I think that was just a quick little retrace. I think we're gonna keep selling down, man. At least till 10 o'clock.
Let's see. This should be funny sometimes. Gold is dropping? No.
No, that shit at 418, bro.
That shit don't drop. That shit not dropping, bro.
It's not dropping, dog. They ain't running that thing up, boy.
Yeah. A Bitcoin green. Y'all trading Bitcoin, man?
Let me
Paper
see.
trading
What
on
is
this?
micro Bitcoin? Huh?
Bro, they be doing some crazy joint, bro. I'm mad I can't trade more than one contract on my funded futures.
On what?
Yeah,
On
and
micro?
on Top Step, you can't do more than 5 on micro Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they got you capped out.
Yeah, they got you capped, bro. I'm like, bro, how is that even possible when they drink even 50 cents a point? You should at least let me be able to do 20 of them things.
My boy said one on break, smiling. The whole team said he in a good mood today. Yeah, AMD, y'all, that AMD shit, that boy. And today it went right back up. So I was like, cool, you know what I'm saying? Like, I figured, they was gonna do some profit taking and all that good stuff. With such a big ass gap up. So
I ain't even mad, Zay, because when I had oh snap, we got the setup to go along.
Oh hell yeah, we long, baby. Let's go.
We got that SMT right there too.
Yeah.
Because the contracts I had added back when we first talked about it, like when you first brought up, they only up like, let me see. Now these leaps, of course.
Yeah.
I added this AMD leap back on January 5th. Dang. It's up 231%.
But bro, that's a leap though.
No, yeah, I know, but think about all that. That mean that joint went through April.
And still up positive.
231%. Yeah, every AMD call I got, I added in January.
They all positive.
They're all up 250% or more.
Yes, sir.
I ain't gonna lie. I want to take this trade in real life, but I'm not. That joint look good. And gold dropping.
What
We got
you
SMP
talking
right
about?
here.
A lie or a long?
Yeah.
Man, y'all see a long? I don't see it, bro. Or at least not on the ES.
Look at ES.
Mhm.
ES got the low.
Yeah.
It didn't though. Not on the 1 hour.
But you get something like this. Look at this.
I mean,
I'm looking
he
at
is
the
a
one
little
hour.
weaker than
Yeah. Like
he is a little weaker than NQ.
that's strength right there.
Mhm.
You said what?
He is a little weaker than NQ.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what yeah, I guess. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Is I'm like,
Mhm.
but now I'm looking at the NQ. I see what y'all see. It did the NQ did take out the 1 hour low. Why?
See, am I go long
Mhm.
back here? Oh, that me with a good time.
Mhm. Sure. Yeah. Go in dropping no time soon, bro.
Who said
Hell
that?
no.
Oh
Go
yeah.
this shit
Oh
going.
no, it's just keep going and going and going, dog.
Yeah, this shit not popping. Yes, why? Mm-hmm. Why? Yeah. Hmm. Say something.
Let me go to my 4 hour. I gotta see something.
All right, see this hit. If not, it is what it is. Oh, they only got one contract on this. I'm tweaking.
It's not go. I was ready.
Let's see. Dre, let's see what you looking at, brother. What you got? I know you got. What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got?
Got this
Okay, you looking
Sunday.
for it to bounce back up. You looking for it to get
Yeah.
to that 50% mark.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Hmm. Is
Mm,
it news today, Quadri? China
Nah,
is closed, I think.
nah, we ain't got
yeah,
nothing. We got
it's like a
China,
holiday or something for them over there.
we
yeah,
got New
China
Zealand.
is closed.
We got New Zealand official cash rate,
Mhm.
which is a red folder at 9 o'clock p.m.
Mm, okay. In China, yeah, bank holiday whole day. Okay. So, oh, we got the minutes tomorrow.
Yeah, but I don't think that's gonna do anything, bro. To be honest, man.
Right. So what's the latest with this government shutdown thing? Nothing popping up, right? I didn't hear nothing about that today.
No.
I
Mm-mm.
mean, Trump made comments say he said it's ended soon, something like that. They gotta come to agreement on the healthcare deal or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So what I know, or uh, the biggest thing is the deadline before they got to pay service members.
Mm-hmm.
So that's October 15th.
Yeah.
That's a date they don't want to mess around with.
Yeah, that's when the uh military get paid, all of that. Supposed to get
Yes.
paid.
Yes.
Mm.
And so they don't want to mess around with that.
Hell no. Shit. Sir, let me see. Ooh.
Mm.
Tell me we're about to slow down here now.
Mike say, what's our thoughts on Netflix? Shit. You got Elon doing the cancel your Netflix thing.
You crazy? That's all I watch here. So I can't stand on Netflix.
Right, I ain't on Netflix. Oh, come on, man.
Mm. It's tough being patient, bro. There you go. Okay.
True. I tell you one thing
Mm-hmm.
regarding Netflix, they'll probably wake up.
How's Netflix? Let me see.
They're going down, bro. Even technically, I'm in it. Though. I'm in Netflix too. Unfortunately,
What's it taking?
that's one of my side plays.
He said, "Chap say, what if they use it to shake the market as it's technically the only news we getting?" I think that's what they doing, bro. They use, they definitely using, it. Because I actually, that's what I put in my thing, chat, was I'm like, yo, we really had a light week this week as far as economic news go.
Mm-hmm.
And so the only thing that could really shake the market would be news about this shutdown. And basically, it's like, how long does this last before it's an issue? You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
So right now, the market not really caring, but eventually they'll care.
Hell yeah.
He said a bunch of barrel cheated freedom fighter will make Antifa look like fairies if you don't pay them. Oh, facts. Yeah, you better pay the
Hell
service members. So yeah, they don't want that shit
yeah.
to. They don't want that to go too long. He said I didn't know he said that. Yeah, because of so it is a little tricky. So apparently Netflix has like some show that promotes transgenderism to children, and
Mm-hmm.
Elon was not fucking with it. So he was like, cancel Netflix. Uh, I don't think I'm gonna personally cancel Netflix. I just know my kids won't watch that show. It's that simple.
Yo.
That's what I'm thinking. Down a little bit. Haven't added yet. Okay. He said 2K. He said, I missed your conversation on UNH. What's your price target for end of the year? I mean, easily 400. They said the market already priced in. Oh wow, the market already priced in 21 days for the shutdown. They talking about the show The Diplomat. I still need to start to go. Basically, don't watch. Right, basically, don't watch that particular show. Right, it's that simple. Like, bruh.
When you worth $500 billion, I guess you could do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I tell you one thing. What's that, Dre? Remember I asked you about the seasonality on Netflix? We know what that thing look like.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. No, that seasonality, of course, isn't guaranteed, but it do look promising.
For who?
Netflix,
Netflix.
if you ain't in it, they get in it.
Who, Netflix?
Yep.
Say he what's the date you gave? What does that mean again? Oh, so the government shutdown. So the big date would be October 15th because that's the date that service members have to be, that's when they get a paycheck. So this shutdown still popping by then. They, service members don't get paid, and neither party wants to be the responsible party for why service members don't get paid. So it's kind of being put out there that that can be the date by when we should expect the deal by, or at least they get a damn continuing resolution done and keep the government open till November or whatever the case may be. So I find it ironic that the 15th is also the date we're supposed to get the inflation data.
Huh.
Yep.
I really think they try and drag this shit out so they don't get the jobs data and the inflation data. Keep the Fed in the dark. I don't make a big deal of nothing. If I don't like it, I don't watch it. I don't eat it. I don't shop there. I'm not getting on social media to get it. Exactly. But we live in cancel culture now, Larry. You know what I mean? We live in cancel culture now, bro.
See the Cardinal coach got fined for snapping on dude.
You said what happened?
The Cardinal coach got fined 100 racks for snapping on the running back for for fumbling the ball before he went to end zone.
Yeah, he punched the shit out of him.
He did.
Wait, what happened?
The Cardinals was up 21-6 against the Titans. Dude had a 72-yard. Literally nobody by him. So he did the Deshaun Jackson before he got to end zone. He just started to celebrate and dropped the ball. So the ball didn't cross the end zone.
Okay.
So he turned over the ball. Right?
Yeah.
So at that point, they would have been up 20-6. Tennessee ended up coming back and winning.
Mm-hmm.
This all happened in the fourth quarter.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So when they got to the sideline, the coach punched the shit out of him.
The coach punched him?
It ain't like that, but he definitely hit him, though.
He hit him in the stomach, like, nigga, the fuck you doing?
Yo, for real.
Say, yo, imagine you on a 70 and you only got 3 touchdowns in your career. You hit for a 70-yard, nobody by you.
Bro, I'm grabbing that ball like this. Dude is flexing, bro, before you get to the end.
That's the second week in a row that happened too.
Wow. Yeah, because it happened. I saw it happen with the Colts. The receiver.
Yeah.
The receiver. Yo, Larry said, what was the spread in the money line? Yo, it's definitely rigged out here, boy.
Yeah, shit fun.
Bro, the way these coaches like, yo, bro, I ain't want to talk. I'm not keep it.
Larry said, look at that Netflix. He got upside targets of 1340, 1615, and 1850. I like it.
Like them.
Netflix is the first tech earners. It usually lay the foundation of what to expect for the rest. Yeah.
What? Oh, early season next week, bro.
Yeah, it kicks off next week, bro.
Oh,
matter of fact, let me pull up.
It's gonna be the last boring night.
Dre, look at our Discord messages. Netflix, the last thing you sent me, look at where it's at.
Oh.
All right, so next week, this is not the entire calendar, but just a few names that I like to use for spot games. So on the 14th, we got Citi, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and J&J. On the 15th, ASML, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America. You know the banks usually kick us off first. You got United Airlines, you got Schwab, Ally, and a few other joints. The following week is when shit gonna get popping.
Hmm.
So that following week, the 20th through the 24th, you got Netflix on the 21st.
Mm-hmm.
You got Tesla, IBM, Land Research on the 22nd. You got a few other names as well. And then it looks like what's going to happen is this last week of October going into November is
Super Bowl.
probably when, yeah,
The Super Bowl.
that's probably when we start to get all the big names.
Yeah.
Like,
Crazy shit.
yeah, that's when Microsoft, Meta, all them probably report.
Mm-hmm.
What's good, Carl? In the building. He said, "What's the overnight play for NQ?" Well, it was a short at first, but now I
Yeah.
think we're
Now
looking
we
for a
dance.
race.
Yeah, I'm in a long still.
Okay. Let's see. I think we got Dre. He's looking at I think Dre, you looking at a long, or you might be long.
Yeah. Yeah.
Quadree's long. So I'm gonna pull that up. He said, Larry said, "Did y'all see the FIGR price action? What is that? Is that Figma or the Fig company?
Hmm.
Figma? I think that's them." No, that's not Figma. That's just somebody else. Who is this?
Hmm.
Figure Technology Solutions. I ain't never even heard of them. Who this, Larry?
Quadree. Them Yankee looking sorry as hell, bro.
That was 2-0. 2-0. The game just started, bro. The game started 12 minutes ago. It was 2-0.
Ain't the Yankees were leading the series?
No,
Leading
no,
what
we
series?
the Red Sox, but we down. We lose tonight. Our season over with.
Who for the
Yeah,
Yankees?
Yeah,
yeah, about to get swept.
The Blue Jays put up 28 runs on us in 2 games, bro.
Damn.
Bro, they crazy, bro.
Yeah. I don't get this radio talk, bro. Talking all that crazy. They were checking crazy, bro. They're saying that they stealing signs in Toronto.
With Toronto,
That this, yeah, that the sound system is way better than any other stadium. That the OPS is ridiculous. I
yeah,
hope
they
they
saying
win 15-0 here about what they're gonna say tomorrow. Like what? Yo, I
it's
got Vladimir Jr. is a beast, bro. God,
they about whooped. All right, me that.
man, this shit.
This shit looking real slow, bruh.
Yeah, it got slowed down, bro.
We ain't doing nothing, yo.
Goal pushing. Goal is still going.
Yeah. Go that 4,020. That's what we should have went long.
Yeah, bro. Today was the day again.
Just buy gold, bruh.
Okay, look, 6 o'clock. You just hit buy and put your stop loss and just let it go. Look at this, bro. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, yeah.
That's like $2,000 right there. No lie. Even more. 10, 13
Yeah.
points. Yeah.
Yeah, on the minis.
I
Yeah.
know, like I ain't gonna lie. I was so nervous yesterday because I'm like, yo, watch the day I play. I do go. I'm gonna get slaughtered.
Nah.
Nah,
Yeah.
it's bro. This way this thing moving, bro.
Yeah.
Nothing to be nervous about. That thing is cooking.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'm getting positive. Okay, let's see.
And keep
Ooh,
pushing.
got me push.
Yeah, there we go. We're starting to turn around.
Come on. Hit TP, bro. Let's go. Here we go.
Yeah, there we go. Now we're starting to push back up.
Yeah. The years didn't do nothing. Oh, we got. Shit,
Oh, it
don't
looks
even
like
matter no more.
the ES finally went ahead and took that low.
Yeah, either screen now.
Mm-hmm.
Flat. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
go still going. RTY is bullshit. IN's bullshit. Um, go. Oh, here you go. CL. Okay. Hmm. Damn. Oh, you really hit 60. She's and bounce. Okay. Yeah, this shot got me nervous. See, I'm not gonna
Which
lie
one?
to you. This one, SMH, graba spot.
Was
Last time we
cool.
were last time we were up here, we got the cool off
Mm-hmm.
on the semi sector at least. You know, like I really cool off.
So Dre, I got another one for you too, bro. So I know we use the SMH divided by SPY joint, but look at SOXX divided by SPY. That's the other semiconductor ETF. That one ain't as
What's
stretch.
what
SOXX.
socks?
Uh-huh.
This one
Yep.
by
With
spot.
another X, two X's.
Oh,
Yeah,
by
there you
spot.
go. Yeah, there you go.
What's the difference? You know,
The weightings and the companies.
there's better company here.
No, it's just it's still semiconductors, but it's just different weightings. So like the SMH is I think really top heavy Nvidia and
Hmm.
somebody else, whereas this one is basically weighted differently. So we matter of fact, I'll go pull it up, but um I want to say SOX is a little bit more heavy towards the like the manufacturers. So like like shit like AVGO and
Hmm.
ASML and them have, I want to say, heavier ratings in SOX X versus SMH.
This shit got room still. Okay.
Exactly. Right. So and
Yeah.
that's what one of the things we were talking about as far as the rotation in the semi space. Granted, like Nvidia and what you call it had kind of cooled off, but we saw the equipment makers going bananas. AMAT, ASML,
Ye-
KLC,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Like some of them names, and no, Micron been going crazy. You know what I'm saying? So
Yes.
this is another one just to, you know what
Okay.
I mean, keep an eye
That's
on.
like that's
And I
game
think
right there, boy.
yeah, your boy is. He said, "I'm knocking out guys. Good luck in your trades. Appreciate you for
All
joining,
right.
fam."
Yeah, I see you tomorrow,
Um,
bro.
someone had me charted. They IPO'd on the 11/12. Yeah, it. So yeah, Larry, that FIRGR. It's a fairly new name. It don't got that much history on it. And then my boy King Rush said Mark was talking about it. So I don't know. I will say this though: the one name that keep getting brought up to me that is very very heavy is UiPath. I keep seeing that name pop up a lot. A lot of people keep talking about it.
Hmm.
Um, and I mean, it is at so this is one of the ones where yes, it is at some lows, and gold is starting to turn around now. It's down
Like
from
to the
that four.
downside.
Yeah, it went. It was at 420. It's down to 418 now, or 412 quick. So that's like 6 7 points fast.
Yeah.
Um.
8:30. That's why China. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
But yeah, so UiPath is a name that people have been talking about a lot about. Um,
Hmm.
so
Okay.
yeah, Jay said I invested in Path before they went public. You still holding your shares that you got from them? I'll tell you this, bro. I went to their website. And what they doing? I ain't gonna front that shit. I was like, damn, this is pretty dope though. It is pretty dope. They little AI agents that they pushing. Yeah.
And KD Carvey. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, man. Being inside this Sunday range, bro, it's for me. Either we hold here overnight and then London take us higher, or we got there and lose this shit like crazy. But I don't think so. Not before we touch previous day mid. At least we got to at least come here.
Before we go lower.
We force like we could go lower and week out and then go up, but like
Yeah.
go low and stay. Yeah, we got to come up first.
Got it. He said, yeah, I was in the second series of funding, got in at $1.50 a share at 10K shares. Oh, damn. Okay.
What was that?
He was able to invest in UiPath before it went public.
Oh, damn.
So he got shares at $1.50. So he lit.
Let's go.
It was a website that they were on along with NowRx. I invested in both. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good shit, man. Shit.
It's
good. It's good when you can get in early like that.
Yes, sir.
Pat, did you have to be or Jay? Are you an accredited investor or like how was you able to do that? Or they just had like something special where they let the general public get in or something?
Tell you what, that gonna go to where we think it's gonna go. He ain't gonna be on this chat no more.
Right. Nigga, 10,000 shares at $1.50. Boy, that shit go where we talked about it going. Yeah, buddy. He won't be.
yeah, Jay. Nice meeting you, bro.
He gonna buy him a private island somewhere, dog.
Yeah. We ain't seen Jay at all.
He gonna be gone.
Word.
Yo, you know what I always think about, bro? Is in what was it? Next Friday where Uncle Leroy be like, I'll hit the lottery. He said, I know everybody talk about I ain't gonna never leave the hood. He said, I got my check and I was up out of there.
Yeah, yes, he did.
I was gone.
He really did.
Word. Yes, sir.
Okay. For the site, you didn't have to be an accredited investor. Okay. Dope. Okay.
Bad. Yes, sir.
Okay, bro.
So we got short.
Come on, man. Push this goddamn thing up if y'all are gonna push it up. Shit.
Right.
Like, stop playing.
Stop playing with the people, man. Look at this shit. You shit your throw for the last hour.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 15. Yeah, 15 look like it might want to do a little something.
Mm-hmm.
It's like that shit stuck like Chuck.
But
it might be one of those slow nights.
Yeah, China's a close, yeah.
Yeah, because I think you said China market closed, so we ain't gonna really.
We got Red Food at 9 o'clock.
You said what happened?
We got Red Food at 9 o'clock. New Zealand something cash. I'm sure it's called.
Oh, okay.
New Zealand official cash rate.
Maybe we get a little jolt with that.
I don't know what that is though. It's Red Food.
I use Forge Global to invest in LVT cameras. You have to be accredited for that, though. Okay. Dre, what's your target? You just aiming for the Asian mid?
Where? When? Like tonight?
Yeah, like right now.
15 points. I'm still here. I got 8 points to profit, but my target is right there. 25.49.
Got it.
Yeah. Oh man. Like he gave me 10 and 13 didn't take. I usually take those, but let's go. Let's go. Let's go for the moment.
You know, I target 55.
55? Yeah, that's a good target. Yes, sir.
That's 64.
Here we go. Come on.
475.
A push. Get out and push. Here we go, Quadree. Come on. Oh, here we go, bro.
There we go. There we go.
Ooh, there we go. Come on. Oh, yeah. See?
A little bit more.
I be talking to the candles, bro.
People, you got you.
People think I'm crazy, bro.
She running, she a track star.
Here you go. Come on. I'm playing games, bro. But okay. Here we go. Yeah, I like him down. That's it, bro. I'm done. I'm out.
Oh.
Yeah. There you go. Now I'm gonna hit target.
You know it is.
Oh. Yes, sir.
I got to 55, so I got 7 more points.
Yeah. There you go. Not gonna be a dick for a tick, bro. Fuck that.
I gotta give me one of them 300K accounts. Just watching this $50-$20, they're gonna be killing.
Yeah. You give you more leverage, bro.
Yeah, that's my next investment.
Yeah. The other account only trade in the morning. The big one.
Hey Dre, how's that new joint you working on going with the special prop firm or that special company?
Bro, I got so mad last week. So
why?
Because I took a L, but I reset the account thinking that I'm Gucci. I can take another trade, bro. When you reset, you go back to zero, start again. So I'm like,
oh dang! So you thought?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna just your reset for the day.
You thought? Oh shit! Nah. Oh damn.
So I had 7 days, so I had to start all over again. So I'm on my third.
Those 7 days don't even count that you did.
Nah.
Oh.
I was tight. I was like, damn. So now I started Friday.
Okay, so now
again.
Okay,
so I'm on my third. Yeah, I'm on my 3 days.
And you said you got to do 30 days on that one, right?
Yeah, 30 days, phase 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Look at that. There you go. Now it's starting to push up.
He did. There you go.
Yeah.
TP. He hit
I'm
my TP, but I got out. I took 13
But it
points.
would have hit. I think it would have got there now though.
Yeah, he did. Right here.
Yeah. Yeah. There you
Yeah.
go. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, everybody in the chat. For me to short, I don't like shorting here. Like here. Nah. I got it short here. I gotta
Yeah.
get some meat in the bone, man.
Right.
Yeah.
Plus, I'm gonna be real with you, bro. We too close to that new week opening gap. Anything can go in that, man. Anything
Exactly,
can go
son.
in that. You
So
know,
that blue
shit.
box.
We might
Yeah.
hear some. They might come out of nowhere. Oh, a deal was passed. Boom.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
all
So
right. I'm 4 points away.
There you go.
are you
Yeah,
ready?
we have
Let's go, bro.
51, 52, 50. There, look at that. Now it's pushing. Yep. 53. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. So now you just share. And that's cash flow for the night.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Yeah, that's how you gotta treat this game, bro. You gotta play checkers. Move your strategy, get your money, cash flow, trade in the morning, don't go crazy, don't force shit.
Mm-hmm.
You just rinse and repeat every day, bro. A lot of people having difficult. I haven't seen the chat. You guys having difficult trading all time highs or
No,
no?
not me.
No,
How
a
about the
lot of
chat?
people have. A lot of people are struggling with it. That I
Yeah, a lot of
see.
people like, especially day traders, the all time high shit different, bro.
I'm gonna tell you. You know what the issue is though? Is with all time highs. I think another issue is a lot of people aren't that good at trading momentum either.
No, yeah, it's a little different because, like you said earlier, Quadri, the move happened at later times. Like I noticed, like
Yep.
we do not drop at no 11 o'clock in the morning, bro. That's bullshit.
No, we don't.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. That shit, bro. Don't play with me, man. Man. But but you got to take it. Life, you cannot never fight life price action, bro. If that thing is telling you we're going down, and you data is saying, bro, I have 100% that we're going here, bro. Life price is telling you, bro. Listen, I don't care about your 100%, bro. We are dropping, man. Yeah. hmm
Hey, on
That
another note too. Or
yeah.
my bad. Go ahead, Drew. I ain't mean to cut you off.
No, that's what I give it to ICT. Like ICT, he told me how to look at life price. So I see that, and then I marinate that with the sauce. You know, so
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
that's it.
I was gonna say on another note though. I don't know. I mean, I know some people that watch us, kind of watch crypto a little bit, but I don't know if anybody been paying attention to Binance coin, but that joint been
Like,
moving and grooving, bruh.
Yes, sir.
I don't know like what happened, but sheesh, that shit up to 1,300 a coin. I'm like, damn.
And shout out to Car. Do put me on, bro. Bro, I'm appreciate you, Car, for sure, bro. That book, man, he explained that shit to me, bro. Oh my
Mm-hmm.
god, bro.
okay, you get it now, right? He explained it yesterday.
Yeah, but he took his time explaining it yesterday. Like I never look at into like the way he explained yesterday. I'm like, bro,
Mm-hmm.
I use it today, and that shit worked to the T.
Just gave you what more confluence?
Yeah.
Yes. So I don't care about those circle, none of that.
The little,
I
little
care about
bubbles.
I care about where the contracts selling and buying are.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, okay, and what they do when the market opens?
Mm-hmm.
This like so when I checked 2500 this morning around 6 a.m., 6:30, it had 100 locks, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we let me show my chart. Let me do some teaching.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, teaching moment before we roll out.
Yeah.
I do got to dip at like 9.
I,
My trade, hopefully, my trade by the TP anyway.
yeah. So we were here, right? At 6 a.m. This is a switch over. And not gonna lie to you guys, I was sure right when we opened at 6 a.m. But why I would, yeah, like, but that this is my setup. Like, I got a good higher day, like we talk about
Mm-hmm.
1800. 6 a.m. came, we had the swing, 15 points. I got in one candle, boom. And then we started pushing. At this time, me and Carl, we were trading live together. And we're like, yo, I, well, he was not on today, actually. He was taking a break. But I started watching the bookman stuff. And I saw that 2500s, which was right here, it had 100 locks sitting down
Mm-hmm.
all morning. From this move up, it didn't move. Like, even though it went here, that shit stayed there.
Motherfuckers study it, right? Don't skip on
Yeah.
it.
But to the upside, when market opened at 9:30, they started flashing 400 contracts, 300 contracts
I TP.
around these levels,
Mm-hmm.
and that 2100s, that 25 stay the same. So I'm
Still
like,
stay there.
these people are like faking orders and taking it off, faking orders and taking it off. And bro, when this shit happened right here, when we lose 9:30, 10:30, then 11 o'clock came, boom, bro. It went straight. This candle straight there, bro.
Straight to
It
that
took off
to
to that
those
20,
orders.
yeah, to the soda. Oh, he's in here. Yeah, Car, what's up, bro? Yeah, man. So I'm like, yo, he just gave me, arsenal to what we do, Like he just put me another confluence to look at things when I'm doing my analysis early in the mornings type of thing. So um just don't feel what I want to say is don't even do like it takes time to don't like it happened to me today. Don't don't get desperate. You
Mm.
got your setup, trust yourself. Do not deviate. Trust yourself. Then don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Um I saw it. I was amazed, but I didn't trade it like I was supposed to trade it. Like it was
Bro,
I was mad as hell. I was mad as hell.
the way we kept ranging, bro, it was like, dang, bro, I know we supposed to drop or something, man. We was just ooh,
We just was
like
pushing too much, man. Like we was bound to get a sale. I mean, I was just saying, no matter, like you said, no matter the method, the confluence you want to use,
Mhm.
we was bound to get a sale, bruh. I mean,
Yeah.
we was bound to get a sale. And again, I think for me, it was just a lot. It was for me, it was just the simple fact that we started the week with a new week opening gap. We gonna probably contest that, bruh.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? So
And we did. Yeah.
yeah,
Hmm.
so
Yes, sir. Yeah. So now that's all I got for the night. I want to see previews they may get touch.
mm-hmm.
So let me clean this up, guys, before we go.
Yeah, I definitely think I'm looking for us to retrace a little bit too. Um we doing it now. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens overnight with London, and then once we get into 6 a.m.
Like when you see this gap, like ICT 101, all that, yes, I want to see price up here, test this structure here.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing but once we cross this high, it's nothing but air here. It's gonna just go.
Yeah.
And then this is previous day mid. And you know me, I love my 6 a.m. open. So
Yeah.
yeah. Yes, sir.
We got what? We got about 8 minutes before we wrap it up. Let's see. Yo, gold's still going strong, dog. It's right back to that 4,020.
Already TP. Oh god.
Yeah, it hit your joint. Okay.
RTY. Okay. Yeah.
It ain't doing nothing. Art, yo, I'm gonna tell you, bruh. I've been like really studying RCY, bro. I'm gonna tell you the best days to really trade that are when you get to like Thursday and Friday. That's when it like in the beginning of the week, it like to play around. Then Wednesday it'll make it as low as high, and then Thursday, Friday is when you really start to get your moves on that one.
Yeah. For sure. Yeah, I do. I like to play games for sure.
Oh, 100%, bro.
You know
100%.
that.
All too well. All too well, boy.
Also,
All too well. Yeah, that was a nice little push at the 8 o'clock hour. Good call on that, fellas. We play, yeah, like you said, I'm looking at it now. Yeah, man. For me, this, like you said, it's not enough meat on the bone, and it keep just kind of oscillating back and forth in this new week opening gap. I need to see it be a little bit more decisive.
also, before we bounce, this table right here, it keeps me in tune with the market. So
Oh yeah.
on the weekly, this level right here, if I go down, let me hide this table. Like you see this 93%, that 0.5%. That's the distance between the 5 AMA and the 0.5 right here. Out of the last 40 weeks, we've touched that level 90% of the time, 93% of the time. So that's why, and if you want to know about this more, join the boot camp. Because
y'all still accepting people?
Oh yeah, this shit about to start. Yeah, we're taking application.
Yep.
So this all work for every index, not only NQ. And this is like a weekly join that keeps you intact in tune with the markets. Like even if you know light price trade ICT, put some data on that shit, and then that shit will be different for sure. Or whatever method you use.
So some news just came across real quick, Dre. I didn't mean to cut you off. Nvidia is reportedly investing as much as $2 billion into Elon Musk's AI project he has as a part of XAI's fundraising round.
I got both. Better run it
up. Boy, Nvidia out here dishing that money out, boy.
Yes, sir. Go Tesla 650, here we come.
Dog, you already know.
Yes, sir. Hey.
Yeah, but they're putting that work in, dog. Mike say Tesla up $5. Oh yeah, boy. And they just launched their new little EVs. That they cheaper EVs. Man, listen, dog.
I'm crying, right?
No, it's coming. It is definitely coming, bruh. we had to go touch those new week opening gaps, man. Let's go ahead and do a quick little retest Wednesday and then Thursday, Friday. Let's restart that up. Let's get that uptrend back.
Yeah. And we already dropped a lot for the week.
We did.
I would love to come here and then bounce, like we always do. But I just I'll be patient. But let's wait for that setup.
Mm-hmm. King Rest said, I almost got rid of my Tesla play, but look at God. Glad, I keep telling people, man, sometimes it's for me, shit be very straightforward, bro. Once I saw that pay package, the very first pay package or the very first milestone Elon got to do is he got to get Tesla to a 2 trillion valuation. He's gonna do it.
Mm-hmm.
That alone tells you right there that Tesla is likely to get to 600. So again, whatever technical method you want to use, I'm pretty sure you find some confluence, but Tesla's gonna get that 2 trillion valuation, bro.
Well, definitely.
Man, that was a nice little push at 8 o'clock, boy. Nice little hourly candle.
Yeah. It took long though.
But it did. It definitely did.
Look at this shit, bro. It took like crazy.
But eventually it got there. Got right back into that gap. Nice little cool 6 points. We'll see what happened now. Strat King say, what's crazy is people was buying Tesla puts at the close. A lot of flow for puts was coming in. Hey, that's what that's what they want. They see a red day, they think, it's gonna keep going down, which it still might have a little bit more, but I think that could also provide some fuel for the tank. Go ahead and burn them shorts up, push Tesla higher. All right, fellas, y'all got anything before we roll? We got 2 minutes. I'm about to call it the evening.
No, I said.
He said, "When my wife starts coming to me with stock picks, I look for a pullback." Oh Lord, is she coming to you? Is she coming to you with stock picks? That sounds like what I just said earlier, Carl. I said, "Man, look, man, people starting to just throw darts out there. They just picking any and everything now. They like forget quality. I'm just throwing darts." Both y'all are on mute, Quadree and Dre. If y'all had anything before we bounce, I think
I would say, don't fight the trend.
His lady, you said what?
Don't fight the trend as always, bro. The trend is your friend.
Yes, sir. Oh, also, I'm gonna add something to that. Don't fight the trend and don't fight the Fed.
Don't fight the Fed.
At the end of the day, we have a accommodative Fed. They likely cutting rates. This is a very stock friendly environment when you got a very pro business administration, you got an accommodative Fed, you got earnings continuing to grow, you got a lot of investment. Don't be bearish. Don't try to call the top.
Yeah, don't do that
either. So yeah, they said they ain't cutting with no data. We'll see. They gonna side on the side of caution and say, yeah, it was another risk management cut. Dre, you got anything before we bounce, bro? You on mute, bro?
No, just patience. Wait for your move, bro. That's it. All time highs.
That's it.
The poop is coming. Just
let's
let it come.
Yeah, we So yeah, people, we out of here till tomorrow evening. Hopefully y'all got some good value. Remember what we said. We'll see y'all tomorrow, same time, 7:15 for another good one. With that being said, man, late night leverage crew, we out of here, man. Y'all take it easy, people.
I bet.
All right, fellas.